Hi all, hope you're all good. I'm going to run through how to put a ballistics table directly into the scope. We'll just have a quick look at the buttons before we start. So we got on off, we got menu button, picture in picture button, record button, day night. When using the menu, long press on the cog to enter the menu, and then we've got up, down, OK or select, and return. And that's it, it's quite straightforward. I'll leave a diagram, hopefully that will make sense as I'm running through the menu. Let's make a start. To add the ballistics table, press hold cog button, and use the down arrow, bring it to the ballistic calculator, OK, down arrow, OK again, we're into the table. Now you can use the OK button to cycle through your profiles. Go on and select E. Bottom left of the screen you've got E showing which profile is going to be loaded. Down arrow, set your zero distance. OK to enter that. I'm working in meters. OK to go across. Down arrow, OK to go across. I'm setting this using the up arrow now to 30 meters. Press and hold OK, saves that. Down arrow, scope height, OK. My scope is 5.2 centimeters or 52 mil. OK to come across, up arrow, 5.2 centimeters. Press and hold OK. Down arrow, OK to select. Now I want feet per second, so just use an arrow. And now I want to enter 754, so OK across, down arrow, 0, OK across, up to 7, OK, down to 5, OK, and up to 4, 754. OK, press and hold. Caliber, OK. Here I want inch, use an arrow, swap that to inch. OK, let's move across. I want 1. OK, down arrow, OK, down arrow, 177. Press and hold OK, saves that. Down to bullet weight, OK. I want 8.5 grains, OK. Down, OK. Down, OK. 8.5, up arrow, 8, OK. Up arrow, 8.5 grains. OK, I'll press and hold, saved. BC, OK. G1, OK, to come across, and I want to bring that one down. 0, OK, across, bring that down to 2, OK, up to 1, 0 to 1. Press OK and hold, saves. Bullet length, OK. OK to move across, bring that down to 0, OK. Up roughly to 6. Press and hold OK. Done. Down to temperature. I don't think these make a huge difference, but while I'm here, OK to move across. Down arrow. I'll save it at 20 degrees. We've got some nice weather at the minute. Press and hold OK. Altitude, OK. I don't think it makes a huge difference for pellets, but I'll change that. Take that up to 20 meters. Press and hold OK. And we're done. So everything put in. Using the back button, takes you backwards, back again, and we're out and we're done. And like I said, bottom left hand of the screen shows the ballistic table that you've got loaded at the moment. Just to go back into there for a minute, press and hold the cog, down arrow, too far, up arrow, OK, down arrow, OK. So when you're testing your table, you may find that you need to come back in here and change your scope height. If your ballistic mark is off below 0, it's the scope height you change. If you find that your pellet is off the mark above 0 distance, then alter your ballistic coefficient. So just take it there, OK, OK to move across, make your adjustments, press and hold OK, you're back out, back button out, back button out, back button out, and that's it. If you're still here, thanks for watching.